Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to fix this electric kettle that the lid is bad. The customer brought it, the kettle fell and the cover broke. You can see some of the pieces here. So some of the challenges we can have with this kettle is something that you can fix by yourself, and some of them may require a professional technician to fix. So we are going to go through it together. Let's see what we can do. Okay, this do it yourself approach will help you in a situation where you can do it by yourself. You don't need to pay a technician to fix it for you, and you can also save costs by fixing it yourself and the time it will take you to take it to a technician. Especially for people who use some of their gadgets for business. If you disappoint a client or a customer comes, is not able to get the satisfaction, it may lead you to lose that customer. So I encourage us, anything we can do to fix our appliances at home without having to waste the time taking it to technician, because they might have loads of work already on ground before our home comes, which will delay the time it will take to fix the issue. So let's try this out and see what we can do. Like I said before, it's a Siemens product, electric kettle. So as the cover is, no matter how long the customer boils water, the water will not get boiled. It takes a long time. So let's see what we can do to get it fixed. So you can see it has a spring, it has a plastic lock, it has another plastic lock. I think this one will stay on top of this. Then it has the main cover. So sometimes the problem can be a bad spring. So when looking at this spring, you can see that spring is still okay. So in this case, the problem is not the spring. So let's try to see if we can assemble the parts first. So when looking at this, what we can observe is that this spring should go into this position. Okay, that's step one. Okay, so the second step will be, okay, this one should come here. Okay, take the spring a little bit up, and that is coming this way. Okay, try to push this into the space provided. So then try to make sure this spring enters in the right position. Okay, I think this one has entered. Okay, the spring is firm now. So what's left? So the next thing will be to put this cover back in place, observing the locks. Okay, you can look at it. This place goes into this place, while these two comes here. Just take your time. Okay, it has entered. Okay, so the next approach now will be to attach this one to this. So look at the orientation, make sure this goes, because when you're opening it, you have to press this for it to open. So now you attach it. And there are other ways to know if you are putting it properly. There is a lock here and here for you to know that it's in the right places. So what you do is press it, let it enter firmly. Okay. After it has entered firmly, you can now bring it down. Okay, now you see you can cover. Then to open it, go here back. The kettle is working. So some of these things are things we can do by ourselves if we can try. Now we did not even require any tools to do this. No tools, no spares were used. But if you take this into a technician, it can take you some dollars or a lot of money to fix, and a delay. So this is one of the things we benefit from this channel. So stay tuned for more tutorials on how to fix your gadget by yourself without spending money. Thank you for watching.